Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today we're going to do a quick art drop coming up. Okay, I'm just going to be packing up for an art drop. And today's art drop, I'm going to be gifting this print. I think it is called Grandpa's Truck. I'll have to look that up. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So I'm just going to put it in an envelope. Put my piece in there. And then for today's art drop, I'm also going to include a card. This is a painting of an eagle I did, digital painting, and it's just in a card format. So I'm going to put that in there with $1 million bill. $1 million because they are special. Whoever it is that picks this up, I just know that they're a special person in general. So we'll button it up. There it is. There's our art drop for today. Okay, it is really kind of cold. It's 17, and so anyway, just letting the car warm up for a few minutes here, and then we'll bail out. Here we go. Okay, I think we're ready now. Had to wait because there were some peeps walking. Didn't want to just show them right where it was. So, walking down a little sidewalk here. Car is coming. Might have to put a rock over it. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna dump it, take a pic.